Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. We are going outside again today. We're actually going to be doing this in the shade. I'm going to be making a trellis for my cucumbers. I made 4 gardens recently and they are all in-ground gardens. They're kind of raised. I do have like landscape timbers and I put some dirt in there, but my cucumbers are vining all over the ground. So we're going to be making a DIY trellis to hold up all of those cucumbers so that it has a place to climb up. We are going to be using sticks and branches from around the homestead so that we don't have to spend any money doing this. We're also going to be using twine to connect all of this because I already had the twine, so this is a free project. First things first, I did check through this pile of branches and sticks and I pulled out a good 4 or 5 ones that were high enough to put in the garden as the cucumber trellis, so we're going to be using those. Oh, great. This one broke. There's another one. Alright, I'm going to be making like a teepee looking trellis just because I don't have much space, so I'm just going to have it go up that way. First thing you want to do is take these two and we're going to start a top to it. We're going to start kind of like a frame, kind of making like a frame like that. So you take your twine, make like a crisscross thing right here. Kind of just want to take the twine and make a kind of close it off wherever there's a joint. Okay, now we're gonna get another piece of, woo! You gonna stay? Probably not. Ooh, that's good. Kind of all fit in the nook right here. Oh, that's so good. This little piece right here kind of notched into all of it, so when I put the twine around it, it'll all wrap around there snugly and have like a couple things to hold on to besides just the twine. Now I'm going to be using a long piece of twine to wrap this all together and make sure it's all secure. Honestly, don't know what I'm doing, but we're gonna go with it. I'm just gonna continue wrapping the twine around until I make it all snug and secure up there. Now I'm going to simply cut off the ends. Again, it's not the best wrap job at the top, but it will do. It is holding the entire structure together. I'm going to get a mini chainsaw and cut that little piece off. I could use that twine to put little horizontal pieces in the middle of all of those, and that's what it'll use to climb. Or I could break down some sticks and use those, but I then have to put the twine wrapping around just like I did that top. I don't know which one would be easier. I think it would be more secure if I chose sticks, but harder to wrap. Let's see. We might use sticks. I'm gonna go grab my mini chainsaw because we're gonna need to cut those sticks. I'm definitely gonna cut this piece right here. I'm gonna put this on just in case any flying pieces are gonna come up at me. That stayed sturdy. Now I'm gonna be cutting these pieces to fit on those. When you're working with a third piece of wood or sticks, connecting them together, you're going to have to do some more twine around both of them so that all three of them connect. So far I'm making the bottom frame, and then we'll work on making the smaller ones as we go up. Quite honestly, I think it would have been easier to just do the twine, but because of the bad winds here in West Tennessee, I think these sticks add some weight to the trellis, so that's why we're doing that. I thought it would make it more sturdier. We'll see how it does in the winds. We have the entire bottom done, and we have the entire frame. Probably one more set of sticks at the top, or probably in the middle of there, just so that they can have something to climb. Now what I found to be easiest with this twine is that leave a little tag of this out so that after you're done wrapping this around, you can have something to tie it to. Because I've ran across a situation where I didn't have enough and I had to add more string. Just want to make sure that it stays out. Honestly, I think this project turned out pretty well. It's not perfect. It's not a perfect frame. It's kind of got some bent stuff going on up here. It's kind of not square on the top, but it's pretty much square all the way down. Let's go put it in the garden. This is the area I'm going to be putting it in. I'm actually going to be helping it along and having those climb the trellis right now because I don't think they're going to do it on their own. Let's see if we can give it a head start. Well, for now, I think that that is going to have to do. There are 2 cucumber plants there. Hopefully the rest will continue to crawl up the rest of the trellis. I don't really know how to get the trellis in the middle of these so that it could climb up all 4 sides, but maybe these will make their way over there. I did end up putting the trellis in the middle and having both of the cucumber plants climb both sides. I think this did a lot better with it in the middle. So that was pretty easy, right? I think in the future, I'm going to be doing a lot more of these projects, especially with the wood, the branches, the sticks around the homestead, and twine. It's really easy to just wrap some sticks together, form a little frame to do whatever you want it to do. I've even built a little treat stand for my chickens. I put sticks against some chicken wire, hooked it to the fence, put a treat tray on there so they're not eating the treats on the ground. And this didn't cost me anything except for the tray to put inside of there. Now that this cucumber trellis has been built, I can use it year after year so that the cucumbers can grow up it and have a proper place to grow. I hope you guys are enjoying my channel. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click the notifications bell so you can receive a notification every time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Kind of close it off wherever there's a joint. Not that kind of joint. Phew. Yeah, not cool. Now that this cucumber, what the hell? Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back. Don't put that. Just to do it right, there's too much of a big gap. Yeah, that was a big. Cucumbers have this trellis, then they can, don't put this. Now that I have this cucumber trellis, don't put that.